All right, well, I got the 3D printing up and running. Um, my project is to build, right now, to build this OpenRc truggy, which I think his name was Daniel Neor or something on YouTube. He designed it. But so far, got a working differential. This is all nylon. This is nylon X, has carbon fiber in it. This is just nylon bridge. I'm gonna basically just print it all out, and I know nylon isn't the strongest or most heat resistant, but I'm gonna see how well it does. So got some parts going. Pretty good print there.